Good morning, everyone. We were doing exercise 12.1, question number 3rd and 4th. दोनों homework के questions से. Now we will start with question number 5. Fifth question is sides of triangle are in the ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25, and the perimeter is given 540. Find the area. So first of all, in this question, we will find the sides of triangle. Start writing exercise 12.1. Question number 5. Let the sides be. Let the sides of triangle 12x, 17x, and 25. It is given that perimeter is 540 centimeter. So what is perimeter? It is sum of all sides. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. आ जाएगा ये 54x is 540. So x is equal to 10. Therefore sides are 10 से multiply करके 120 centimeter, 170 centimeter, and 250 centimeter. Right? Next is now perimeter is 540. So semi perimeter is क्या आ जाएगा? 540 over 2 is 270 centimeter. Now we will find the area by using Heron's formula. So area is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now substitute the value of S, A, B, and C. What is S? It is 540. Then 540 minus 120. 540 minus 170. 540 minus 250. Sorry, 540, it is 270. Make this correction. S is 270, not 540. 70, 70, and 270. Now next, we will simplify it. 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. Right? Now we will further simplify the square root. It is 270. 270 means 9 into 3 and 10. ये 10 आ गया. 15 is 3 into 5 into 10. 100 is 10 into 10 भी लिख सकते हो और 100 is 10 into 10 and 20 is 2 into 10. अब यहाँ से पहले पेयरिंग करेंगे. 10 10 ये स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर आ जाएगा. into again these two 10 from a pair स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर. ये 10 बच जाएगा हमारे पास. And the next is 9. 9 का स्क्वायर रूट 3. ये बाहर आ गया 3. This 3 and this 3. 3 into 3 9. So ये बाहर आ जाएगा स्क्वायर रूट से. Now the last one is 5, 2 and this 10. अगर हम इस 10 को भी ब्रेक करके लिखें 2 into 5. अगर इस 10 को ब्रेक कर दें 2 into 5, तो ये 5 and 5 ये पेयर बन जाएगा. 5 स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर आ गया. And this 2 and this 2 पेयर बन गया. 2 भी स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर आ जाएगा. Right? So nothing is left in the square root now. Now we will multiply it. ये आ गया आपके पास 5 into 2 10, 10 into 9 and 100. ये 9 आ गया. 10 into 9 90 and double into this. So this much Any doubt in this question in any part? In any step? Calculation part is up to you, how you will solve the question and how you will make your calculation simplest. Those who have done, they can start the next question. Last question number 6. So let us start question number 6. Question is, an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter. Perimeter is 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides are 12 centimeter. Therefore, two sides are equal sides are 12 centimeter each. Find the area of the triangle. To find the area of the triangle, first we have to find the third side. Third side is total perimeter is 30 minus sum of other two sides. It is 30 minus 24. So it is 6 centimeters. Right? Now next is area. For that first we have to find the semi-perimeter. Perimeter is 30. So semi-perimeter is 15 centimeter. Now find the area by using Givens formula. Area is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is what? 15. 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12. 15 minus 6. की पेयरिंग होगी बाहर आ जाएगा 9 का स्क्वायर 3 हो गया 15 ऐसे से आ जाएगा cos 15 के हमें 5 फैक्टर्स बनाओगे इट इज 3 into 5 और 3 और 5 से कुछ भी पेयरिंग नहीं बनेगी कॉमन स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर नहीं आएगा कोई भी नंबर so your answer is 9 root square centimeter. Any doubt in this question in any step? You can raise your hand if you have any doubt. Shall we next exercise start? Next exercise to find the area of quadrilateral. We have heading area of quadrilateral. Suppose we have a quadrilateral, this quadrilateral A, B, C, and we know the side. Suppose this is, we know the side is A, B, C, and A. So the measure of the side is 40 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 27 centimeter, and 14 centimeter, 16 centimeter. Right? How can we find the area of this quadrilateral? And one more thing is given that the total length of this diameter is 27 centimeters. Can anybody tell me? Yes, Sachit. Just a minute, Sachit. Yes, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we will calculate the area of the triangles ADC and ABC
Yes, first we will find the area of
using Heron.
triangle ABC. Then we will find the area of triangle ADC. Then we add the area of both the triangles to find the area of the quadrilateral. Right. So this is just an example. Give heading for the next exercise 12.2. Show your hands, all of you. First question. Question is, a path is in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD where C is 90 degrees. A, B, C, here angle C is 90 degree. AB is 9 meter. AB is 9 meter. BC is 12 meter. CD is 5 meter. And AD is 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Now in this question, yes, Haritya.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell the answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell the answer.
Okay, answer. Okay, right. Yes, Vansh. हाथ खड़ा किया था अभी आपने नोन. नवीन. Okay, Manav. How can we do?
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is cracking.
First, ma'am,
Your voice is not clear.
ma'am, line draw करेंगे.
Yes, Narinder.
मैम
मानव आपकी
पहले
आवाज नहीं
BD
क्लियर
से
सुनाई
एक
दे रही.
लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे.
Ma'am, we'll draw a line from joining B and D.
Okay, then.
तो मैम जो ट्राइंगल BCD है उसमें एक 90 डिग्री का एंगल आ जाएगा, सो वील फाइंड द हाइपोटेन्यूज BD और उससे विल गेट द साइड.
करेक्ट. सो हियर जो मैंने अभी एग्जांपल दी पीछे आपको, उसमें हमारे पास डायगोनल गिवन था, सो सिंपली वी अप्लाई द हीरोन्स फार्मूला इन बोथ द ट्रायंगल टू फाइंड द एरिया. But now in this question, diagonal is not given, length of diagonal is not given, but one more condition is given, that angle C is 90 degree. So what will we do first? This angle is 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle, we can find the length of BD. अगर हमारे पास BD find out हो जाए, we can find the area of this triangle. Suppose this is A, B and C. Here also this is a right angle triangle. We can also apply the formula half into base into height. लगा सकते हैं. हमने जो डायगोनल फाइंड आउट किया वो हमें सेकंड ट्रायंगल के लिए रिक्वायर्ड था, क्योंकि सेकंड ट्रायंगल का एरिया तभी आएगा जब हमें ये डायगोनल पता होगा. फर्स्ट तो हम बिना डायगोनल के भी कर सकते हैं हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट, बिकॉज़ दिस इज 90 डिग्री एंगल. क्लियर? हीरोन से करोगे तब भी सेम आएगा आंसर, हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट से करोगे तब भी आंसर सेम आएगा. तो स्टार्ट राइटिंग. Right angled triangle BCD. BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. BD square we have to find. BC is 12 square plus 5 square. 144 plus 25. 169. So BD square. की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? रूट ऑफ 169 इक्वल टू 13 मीटर. ये रूट की वैल्यू प्लस माइनस होती है, बट दीज The square root of 169 represents the side of the quadrilateral, so negative is not possible. So we will take only positive value of square root. So BD is 13. Now we will find the area. Area of triangle BCD. It is half into base into height. Half base is 5 and height is 12. 6. So 30 square meter. Now we will find the area of the second triangle. Area of, for that first we will find the semi-perimeter, which is 9 plus 13 plus 8 whole divided by 2, which is 30 over 2, which is 15 meter. Now we will find the area. Area of triangle BDA. BDA is S minus A, S minus B, S minus. What is that? X is 15. So 15 minus 9, 15 minus 8, and 15 minus 13. So 15 into 6 into 7 into 2. 15 is 3 into 5. 3 into 5, 6 is 2 into 3. 7 into 2. 3 and 3 पेयरिंग हो जाएगी. 2 and 2 की पेयरिंग हो जाएगी. तो स्क्वायर रूट में रह गया 5 into 7. It is 6 root 35 square meter. Write down. Next, now the area of quadrilateral. Right on this side. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of right angle triangle is 30. Sum of the area of two triangles 30 plus 6 root 35. Now find root of 35 up to 2 decimal places. It is 5.92. When you solve it, you get it is 5.92. So now multiply 5.92 into 6. What do you get? It is 35.52. Now added, you get 65.52 square meter. This is the approximate value. Yes, any doubt in any step of this question? Now next question number 2. Before question number 2, let us discuss the homework question. 5th and 6th question homework में आपका homework is a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass will be each cow be getting? Rhombus shaped field दी हुई है और diagonal each side is 18. So each side is 30. 3 cows are there and the diagonal length is 48. दोनों ट्राइंगल्स की साइड सेम है. इस ट्राइंगल का हम एरिया फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे, उसको डबल कर दो, आपके पास रोम्बस का एरिया आ जाएगा. दिस इज फॉर द होल फील्ड. हमें फॉर ईच काउ के लिए चेक करना है हाउ मच एरिया ऑफ ग्रास फील्ड विल ईच काउ बी गेटिंग. दिस इज फॉर द जो एरिया आपके पास आएगा दैट इज फॉर 18 काउस. फॉर वन काउ के लिए आप क्या करोगे, जितना एरिया आएगा उसको 18 के साथ डिवाइड कर देंगे. राइट. Now next is an umbrella is made by stitching triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors, each piece measuring 20, 50, 50. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? 10 different, 2 different colors. 10 triangular pieces हैं, means 5 of one color, 5 of another color. एक ट्राइंगल का एरिया फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. डायमेंशंस दी हुई है 20, 50, 50. राइट. तो उसको जब आप 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे, वो आपके पास ईच कलर के लिए एरिया आ जाएगा. 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे वो टोटल आ जाएंगे सारे. बट हमें फॉर ईच कलर चाहिए, 2 डिफरेंट कलर्स आर देयर. सो आपका जितना एरिया आएगा उसको 5 से क्या कर दोगे, मल्टीप्लाई. क्लियर. So both question 5th and 6th in homework. Now we will do the 4th question. Third question lengthy है बहुत, आज कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाएंगे. थर्ड क्वेश्चन we will do third question tomorrow. Now we will start question number 4. थर्ड कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं तो हाफ हो जाएगा, हाफ रह जाएगा. सो we will do question number 3 tomorrow. Now question number 4. Fourth question is, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. Two figures are there, one is parallelogram and other is triangle. दोनों का area same है, दोनों का base same है. If the sides of triangle are 26, 28 and 30, here we have a parallelogram and here we have a triangle. दोनों का base same है, ABCD. AB is same in both the triangles. Triangles की side क्या है, 26, 28 and 30. 26, 28 and 30. And the parallelogram stands on the base 28. Parallelogram 28 वाले base के ऊपर खड़ी है. Find the height of the parallelogram. हमें parallelogram की height find out करना. Clear? Now first we will find the area of this triangle. अगर इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया हम फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं तो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है कि इन दोनों फिगर्स का एरिया सेम है. सपोज कर लेते हैं कि सपोज इसका एरिया 30 आ गया. ठीक है, तो एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम का भी 30 हो जाएगा. अब एरिया ऑफ जो पैरेललोग्राम होता है वो क्या होता है, हाइट बेस इनटू हाइट. एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज बेस इनटू हाइट. एरिया हमें पता है 30 है, बेस हमें पता है 28 है, तो हम हाइट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Clear? So for that first we have to find the area of this triangle. Let us start. In triangle ABC, first we have to find that perimeter is equal to 28, 26 and 30 whole divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, which is 42 centimeter. Now area is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus D. What is this? 42. 42 minus 28. 42 minus 26, 42 minus 30. Forty-two, 14, 15, and 12. Now simplify it. 42 into 6 into 7, 7 into 2, 4 into 4, 4 into 3. अगर हम 6 को भी और सिंप्लीफाई करके लिख सकते हैं 2 into 3, 2 into बाहर आ जाएगा 3 and 3 कैरिंग हो गई 3 आ गया 7 and 7 कैरिंग हो गई 7 4 and 4 कैरिंग हो गई 4 4 का स्क्वायर रूट स्क्वायर रूट सॉल्व हो गया now multiply it is 8 56 into 6 so it is 336 square centimeter any doubt up to here now next is area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram दोनों का एरिया सेम है so now apply the condition and find the area so area of triangle is here it is 336 it is base into height base is 28 into h so 336 divided by 28 h so 336 divided by 28 answer is 12 centimeter h is 12 centimeter okay now question number 2 जो skip हो गया था बीच में से question number 2 find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 3 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter, and DA is 5 centimeter, and the last one AC is 5 centimeter. This question we can use by using Heron's formula in both the triangles and find the sum of their areas to get the area of quadrilateral. Second way is ये वाली ट्राइंगल अगर आप ध्यान से देखो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है देखने से नहीं हम चेक कर सकते कि ये राइट एंगल है कि नहीं 3 square plus 4 square is 9 plus 16 equal to 25 which is equal to 5 square which is equal to the square of the third side means इस ट्राइंगल में बाइफर्केशन अप्लाई हो रही है 4 square 3 square equal to 5 square x square is equal to b square plus b square so can we say that triangle ABC is an right angle triangle उससे हमारी